Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to install Node.js in our Windows system. So just go onto your favorite browser and type install Node.js, and you will get the first link over here, that is nodejs.org. So you just click on this link and you will find this button over here. So just directly click on this button, and if you are on other system then switch on to other systems and then install it according to your preference and according to your versions, which version you want. So I will not do those many things. I will just click on the download node.js button. So it will start downloading the node.js in our system, and after downloading we will do the installation process. So let's just wait for a few minutes so that it will complete the downloading process, and I will get back to you within a minute.
A few moments later.
So we can see that the downloading process is completed. So now we will just go on to your file manager, and you, in the download section you can see node.js. So just do a double click on it and it will do the setup to download it. So the setup wizard will install node.js on your computer. So click on next, and you have to accept all the terms in the license agreement, then click on next. We will leave it as it is. If you want to change the location, then you just click on the change button and you change the location in your file structure or folder structure. Then click on next, and here also just click on next, and this will install the necessary tools and also install chocolatey. So the script will also pop up in a new window after installation completes. So I will click this because I want to work with React Native. So I somewhere saw that chocolatey is necessary, or just they are using it. So I thought to click on that checkbox button. So let's go to next, and then we will install. Yeah, so it will start the installation process and it will ask permission to do changes on your device. So just do give it the permission to install things in your system. So it will complete its process. So just wait for it to complete, and yeah, you are done. So you can see it is saying that click the finish button to exit, and it is successfully installed. So we will click on the finish button. Now let's just check the version of our node.js by using the command prompt. So we will write node hyphen hyphen version. So we can see it is installed or not. So yeah, you can see the version. The node is installed in our system, right? So yeah, successfully we have installed node.js in our system. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in next video. And until then, take care of yourself.